Alright guys, I screwed up, I'll admit it. I shouldn't have took the Jeep. I went to the Lowe's, went to get some wood to build a swing. You know, a swing, like an old porch swing. Anyway, I didn't take the truck, so I got the wood, put it in my Jeep, folded down the seats. Those 8-foot section boards. So, North Carolina roads, every now and then, you hit these holes. Kabam, you know what they do. I ain't gonna tell you. You know it. Anyway, that board come down and hit my air vent in my Jeep. So, I'm gonna try to fix it. It might work. It might not. I don't know. All right, come on in. I'll show you what we got to do. You need this, and that's all. But I'll tell you what's going on. See this thing right here? These little round clips busted off. See, that wood was coming across here, and it pushed on this and pushed it loose. So I have to take this off. Hopefully I can take the clips off and try to get that hooked back in there. Anyways, I've already got in there and figured it out how to get it off. What you're going to need to do is, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little arrow thing right here. There's two sections, there and there. What you got to do is pull this thing out of the way. If you look right up in here, right there, right up in there. Once you turn that a certain way, it opens up a little hole, which you can take this screwdriver, stick it up in that little hole, hold the little rascal down, and then it'll let you twist it and pull it out. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here. Can you see the hole? And on top, it's got this little push down part. Once you push it, you can twist it and pull it out. Now, I gotta go, all right, take these off. See if I can get in here and fix this little rascal. I'll let you know. Alright, I got these little clips off. They just popped off. Just come off, like so. This little tray here comes out. And right there is where I popped them back in. Popped that hole back in, popped it back into that hole. So now, I'm just gonna put it back together. And this thing just spins, so that really shouldn't matter. This is the thing I want to line up with right there. I think it just did. Cool, that locked in. Now the little rascal is fixed. Cool. Now I'm gonna go pop it back in the Jeep, see how it works. Alright, let's cross our fingers. Where's that top part? Right there. So I put it in right there, then pull it. I'll be dead. All right, that worked. Cool. Jeep's on top. Now it's locked into play. We did it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like it. I'm just gonna start working on my Jeep. I've already put lift kits, wheels, just a bunch of stuff, but I'm just starting this channel, so hang around, guys.